Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, September 16th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Today, I have a guest student who is going to do the pledge for us. We have Miss Armani Ward from Miss Langford's class, and she's going to do the pledge. So everyone, salute and pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisibility, with liberty and justice for all.
Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. And thank you, Armani, for doing the pledge for us today. Today for breakfast, we're having breakfast pizza, and for lunch, Sloppy Joe. Tomorrow for breakfast, we're having Pop-Tart, and for lunch, tacos. Today's announcements. Teachers, please continue to post attendance in Schoology. We are now down to only one teacher who is not able to access attendance in Schoology, so that is exciting news. Or just try to post by 9 a.m. Masks. Again, students and teachers are required to wear masks at all times. Students, the mask is a part of your uniform. It is your responsibility to bring one with you each day at school. Make sure you have it when you leave the house. Today's late duty is supposed to be Miss Waller, and I think Miss Lee is going to handle that. And then Friday is Miss Shaver. Book reminders, book request reminders. These are from Miss Smith in the library. This is mostly to our 2nd through 5th grade students. Here are some things to remember. Only request 2 books. Make sure that they are AR books. Make sure that they are checked in. If the book is already checked out to another student, then it will not be available for you to get it. Request books on or near your grade level. 5th and 4th graders should not be requesting kindergarten level books. Get something that is close to your reading level, that's going to entertain you and interest you. No non-AR books until your AR goal has been met. We have some important dates. September 17th is our Ready diagnostic deadline. We still have a few little friends that are trying to get caught up from being out and things, so keep working on that. September 21st, we have a blood drive on campus, and I think some more information is going out about that. September 22nd, we have PST meetings. October 8th is the last day of the first quarter. October 11th is teacher work day, no school for students, and October 12th is the start of the second quarter. School fundraiser. We are still collecting those envelopes that you students are bringing in with your codes, and we have ordered some more prizes. We had so many students bring back their envelopes that we ran out of prizes, but we've ordered more prizes, and those are coming soon, so thank you for being so patient. We will get those out as soon as they get in. Our word of the day is divide. Divide. To divide is to separate into equal groups and find the number in each group, or find the number of groups. So if we have 15 apples and we want to divide them into 3 groups, that shows us that each of those 3 groups would have 5 apples in them. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So our word of the day today is divide. We have a shout out to Camilla Dean from Miss Clark's 1st grade class. She was recognized by her assistant principal, Miss Winter. She did such a great job during her phonics lesson on Wednesday. You are such a smart cookie. Way to go, Camilla. Shout out also to Miss Heichman and Miss Peralta. This shout out is from Miss Smith in the library. These 2 teachers have also set up their AR goals, and their students are rocking and rolling to meet those AR goals. Way to go, Miss Heichman and Miss Peralta. That is all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Shepherd Scholars.